Hi guys, in this video we're answering two questions. Here they are. First, how is Online Thought Journal 3 different from Journal 4? And what is the Online Thought Journal 4 timeline? So, what is the difference between Online Thought Journal 3 and Online Thought Journal 4? Well, in Online Thought Journal 3, you wrote a paper in which you argued that there is life after death, or that there is not, or that the evidence is inconclusive in this regard. In Online Thought Journal 4, you will support or rebut the conclusion I came to using the Socratic method, that the soul exists. Now, what is the Online Journal 4 timeline? Well, for the first week of this journal, post your argument supporting or rebutting my conclusion that the soul exists by Wednesday, and by Friday respond to one peer's argument. During the second week of the argument, respond to two more peers' arguments, engaging in discussion with them. Respond to the first pair by Tuesday and to the second pair by Thursday so that they have sufficient time to respond to your posting. Okay, if you have any questions, I'm in inbox. Have fun with this assignment.